City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Carrol County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois until 3:45 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near it, or 9 miles northwest of Polo, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Lanark, Canyon, German Valley, Madot, and Alberta's airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. for southeastern Rock County. At 2:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Orfordville, or 8 miles southeast of Broadhead, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
I'm like genuinely confused how that's not warned, but okay. Everybody's saying it's side lobe, but there was literally a tornado on this dude's street. Oh yeah, and I was trying to call my brother, but he wouldn't answer, of course.